Happy Father's Day to all father out there. Oh, happy Father's Day, be. Oh, happy Father's Day, Ramis. Happy Father's Day, Rajib. Happy Father's Day, Dr. Yugrinda. All the father, nana, tatay, baba, to all the world. Happy Father's Day. See, we are here in Bella House. This is the escabeche. This is
Chicken
sisig.
sisig.
And then,
Chicken fry.
Chicken fry. And, malagkit. Oh, pacham. Oh, diba? Oh, may chicken inasal. Oh my God. And then biko. Salad. And spring onion.
Spring onion.
Spring onion. Lumpia. Sorry po. Sorry. Spring onion. Lumpia.
Spring roll.
Spring roll, oh. Tapos to, may puto-puto. Oh, hindi mawala ang rice. Ang coke na ito. Uminom na si Madam. Ay, Hana! Among cute na Hana. Among pretty na Hana. Oh, here, oh. Ang dami naming food. Thank you, Bella. Oh, we are already enjoyed the food. Oh, daw. She like too much eating.
Mga anak mahilig na sa mga ganit. Si Ahang mahilig na siya ng ganito.
Ano, masarap. Ay, convince on also.
Ay. Sophia, you want to swim later, no, Sophia? Oh, enjoy, busy, oh. Happy eating. Happy Father's Day to all father out there. You want to go swimming?
Yes!
Si Kuya. Hi, Kuya. Happy Father's Day, Daddy. Yeah.
Happy Father's Day.
Daddy will look this one. Oh, eating, guys. Eating time. Thank you for watching. Love. Be kind.